Welcome students to today's class. I am Mollika Deb, Assistant Teacher English. Today we will learn a lesson from English for Today of Class 8. Look at the picture first. What can you see in the picture? There are pearls, or you can also say pearl necklace. Can you guess what lesson we are going to learn today? The name of our lesson is Pearls, Pearls, Pearls. It's from Unit 7, Lesson 1. And you will find it at page 79 of your English for Today book. Keywords: ancient, old. Mythology, myths. You can also say stories or beliefs related to ancient times. For example, Greek mythology. Dissolve, melt or liquefy. Associate, connect or link. Status, position. Noble. Noble generally means generous or great, but according to our text, it means highborn or aristocratic. Noble families, that means aristocratic families. Knights, armored soldiers. Soldiers wearing an armor during a battle. Here comes the text. Thousands of years ago, the first pearl was probably discovered while human beings were searching for food at the seashore. Throughout history, the pearl with its shine has been one of the most highly valued gems. Pearls have been mentioned many times in religious texts and mythologies from the earliest times. Here you can find the information about the discovery of pearls. It is also said that in religious texts and mythologies, pearls have been mentioned many times. The ancient Egyptians valued pearls so much that they were buried with them. It is said that the famous queen of Egypt, Cleopatra, would dissolve a pearl in a glass and drink it as a sign of love and respect for the entire nation. The ancient Egyptians buried the dead bodies with pearls. You must have heard about the pyramids and Queen Cleopatra. She dissolved or melted a pearl in a glass of vinegar, it is said so, and by drinking that, she showed her love and respect for her nation. The Greeks thought of pearls as a sign of wealth and social position. The beauty of pearls was associated with love and marriage. In ancient Rome, pearls were considered the greatest sign of wealth and social status. At the time, the young women of noble families loved to wear beautiful pearl necklaces. The brave knights used to wear them in the battles for good luck. The Greeks and the Romans, both the nations, considered pearls as a sign of wealth and social status or position. The young women of noble families loved to wear pearls. The brave knights also used to wear pearls. At the time of battles, they thought that by wearing pearls they can be victorious in those battles. Question answer section. Multiple choice questions. Pearls have been dashed many times in religious texts. The options are adorned, cited, excited, incited. The correct answer is cited. The word sign means dash. Symbol, significance, attraction, fusion. The answer is symbol. The pearl is considered valuable because of its dash quality. Colorful, dull, shining, unattractive. The answer will be shining. The word entire refers to dash. Partial, postpone, absolute, inclination. The answer is absolute. Pearls were dashed for their shine and beauty. Earned, worn, kept, brought. The answer is worn. The word dissolve means dash. Solve, dissuade, melt, break. The answer is melt. The word wealth means dash. Poverty, riches, brightness, power. The answer is riches. The knights had to fight for dash. The court, the common mass, the king, their society. The king. Answer to some questions. When and how did people discover pearls? People discovered pearls thousands of years ago while searching for food at the seashore. Which nations admired pearls? The Egyptians, the Greeks, and the Romans admired pearls. Why is the pearl one of the most valued gems? The pearl is one of the most valued gems because of its shine. Why did Cleopatra dissolve a pearl? Cleopatra dissolved a pearl in a glass to drink as a sign of love and respect for the entire nation. What did the Egyptians do with the dead? The Egyptians buried the dead with pearls. What was the consideration of the Greeks about the pearls? The Greeks considered pearls as a sign of wealth and social position. They also associated the beauty of pearls with love and marriage. Now it's time for giving you some homework. You have to do the 3 questions at page 80 of your English for Today book. You can also see here the questions. Do you think pearls were discovered by ancient? Why? Why do you think pearls were valued so much in the past? What good luck the knights thought would pearls bring them? That's all for today. Thank you, students.